Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. Have you all finished all the activities from the previous class? Today, let's talk about estimations. So, in our previous chapter, we have learned about rounding of numbers. So, the word estimation simply means guessing the value of a calculation. So, how do we estimate a value? To estimate a value, first we'll round off the given numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 and so on, and then to the required calculation. So let's discuss how to find the estimated sum of an addition problem today. So to find the estimate of a sum, what you have to do, you are given the addends in the question and you have to round off the given addends to the nearest 10, 100 or so on, and then do the addition to get the estimated sum. So now we'll see one example. You are given one question here. Estimate the sum of 43,525, 53,626 and 73,658 by rounding off to the nearest 100. So we are asked to round off the sum to the nearest 100. So for doing the estimation, first we have to round off each of these addend to the nearest 100 and then do the required addition. The first number 43,525. To round off to the nearest 100, the rounding digit is the hundreds digit. We have to check the digits to the right of the rounding digit. So it is 2 here. So we just change the tens and ones to zeros and keep the rounding digit as it is. So 43,525 rounded off to the nearest 100 equals 43,500. Now, what about the other two addends? 53,626 rounded off to the nearest 100 gives, here it is 2, so the rounded digit is as it is, so it's 53,600. The tens and ones will be changed to zeros as well. Now the third one, the third addend, 58. It is here in the tens place you have 5. So what you do? You have to add 1 to the rounded digit and change the tens and ones to zeros. So 73 when rounded off gives, 73,658 rounded off to the nearest 100 gives you 73,700. Now let's do the addition. These are the rounded off values. Now to find the estimated sum, you are adding all the rounded off addends. Let's see how we can add them. Now let's start with the ones. Here all zeros, here also all zeros. Now 7 plus 6, 13, plus 5 is 18. A carry over to the next place. 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10. A carry over to the next place. 7 plus 5, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 1, 17. So what is the answer? It is 1,70,800. Now, let's see one more example. Estimate the sum of 32,425, 53,525 by rounding up to the nearest 1000. In this case, you are asked to round off the addends to the nearest 1000. So let's do that first. To the nearest 1000. So the rounding digit is the thousands digit. The digit to the right of it is the hundreds digit, which is 4, that is less than 5. So let's keep the rounded digit as it is and change the hundreds, tens and ones to zeros. So that will give you 32,000. Now the next addend, 53,525. Let's round this one. Here the rounded digit is 3 and the digit to the right of it is 5. So let's add 1 to the rounded digit and change all the other digits to the right of it to zeros. That will give you 54,000. Let's find the estimated sum now. So let's add the rounded off addends. So here it is 0, 0, 0 and 4 plus 2 is 6 and 5 plus 3 it is 8. So what is the estimated sum? It is 86,000. Now, here you have one question. Estimate the sum of 2,64,000 576 and 3,67,634 by rounding off to the nearest hundred. Also find the actual sum. Now, here these are the add-ons and let's round off these add-ons to the nearest hundred first. So it is 2,64,576 to the nearest hundred will give you 2,64,600. What about the next add-on? 3,67,634 rounded off to the nearest hundred gives you 3,67,600. Let's find the estimated sum. So let's do the calculation in the working column, which is the right margin, the right border margin in your notebook. So you can do all the calculations in the working column always. 3,67,600. Now how do you add these numbers? Zeros, 0, 6 plus 6, it's 12. A carry over. 7 plus 4, it is 11 plus 1 is 12. A carry over. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Balance 1 or the carry over 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the estimated sum? It is 6,32,200. Now we are asked to find the actual sum as well. So how do you find the actual sum? Just add the given add-ons like in regular addition. So how do we do that one? 2,64,576 plus 3,67,634. Now let's add 6 plus 4, it's 10. A carry over. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry over. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. A carry over. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. Carry over. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. A carry over. And here is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, it's 6. What is the actual sum? That is 632,210. Here, the actual sum is greater than the estimated sum. We have been discussing on how to find the estimated sum of an addition problem. Now, all of you have to go through estimating the sum in page number 25 of your textbook. Then, you have to do the question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.3. That is in page number 26. So that is your activity for the day. I hope the concept is clear to you. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye.